Il-Malta International Contemporary Art Space huwa spazju li qed jinbena il-Furjana, l-ospizzjo fejn kien jissejjaħ l-ospizzjo u għalkemm għadna ma ftaħniex bħala sit, aħna fit-2018 il-lonċajna il-koncept u l-brand u kull sena nagħmlu għandna programm artistiku.
MICAS, il-Malta International Contemporary Art Space, tvara, wirja u pjattaforma diġitali. It-tim tagħna ltaqa' mat-tim ta' din l-inizjattiva sabiex iwasslilkom l-aħħar aħbarijiet.
Is-sena l-ewwel event li għandna hija din l-event fejn qed nillonċjaw il-digital platform tagħna MICAS Virtual u għandna exhibition ta' 15 l-artist Malti tal-arti kontemporanja.
So the digital platform is available on the MICAS website, which is micas.art, and anyone from anywhere in the world can access it and can find their way through the exhibition. So the exhibition is celebrating the work of Maltese artists. It's arranged over the virtual galleries, which will exist in a few months' time, and anyone can access the individual galleries within the exhibition and find their way through the whole process. It's very important for us to be a global entity, and that's very much the ambition behind MICAS, that we are truly international. And this is an opportunity for us to reach a very wide audience, but also to bring Maltese artists to that wide audience as well and celebrate their art. So we're discussing art in the digital world, and this whole idea about how art and digitalization have kind of reached this intersection, and it's a fascinating area, and that was going to be discussed in some detail by artists and the curator and a computer scientist, an artificial intelligence scientist as well.
Il-perspettiva tiegħi dwar l-arti u diġitali hija għadni qed niskoprija bil-mod, ngħidlek il-verità. Għax jiena ġejja ftit mill-background iktar tradizzjonali fejn studjajt b'ċertu mod, rajt il-wirjiet b'ċertu mod, u nħoss li l-arti quddiemek hija iktar forsi fi iktar valur l-esperjenza. Min-naħa l-oħra wara dak kollu li għaddejna dal-aħħar 3-4 snin bil-COVID, ovvjament id-dinja nbidlet, kulħadd inbidel, min huwa iżgħar minni u ħafna iktar iżgħar minni huwa l-ġenerazzjoni fejn jara kollox mod differenti u diġitali u affarijiet li huma available online hija importanti ħafna lihom. Anka minħabba meta tiġi biex tistudja wirjiet barra minn Malta, forsi ma jkollokx okkażjoni tmur tarhom, u anke artisti ġo l-istudios tagħhom. Hemm iktar ftuħ issa.
This exhibition is called Between Sea and Land, and I was really inspired by the way that these contemporary Maltese artists respond to both the natural landscape, the built environment, and also that idea of the in-between, so about identity, cultural inheritance, and how that responds to 21st century humanity. What's so great about this exhibition is that there is a huge array of material, technique, and subject matter. So we've got film, there's sculpture, which is incredible to see that in a virtual space. There's painting, abstraction, figuration, and drawing. It really is a celebration of all that contemporary Maltese art has to offer.